There are so many reasons to join the USCCA. Plus, right now, if you join the USCCA at the Platinum or Elite level, you'll automatically get our brand new survival kit valued at $155 for free. This kit is jam-packed with equipment to get you through an emergency situation. It's essentially a pre-made ditch bag put together by experts. But you can't delay on this, guys, because we truly have a limited number. And I want you to be sure you've got all the protection you need in today's world. Click Learn More below right now.
The USCCA is not an insurance company. A policy has been issued to the USCCA by Universal Fire and Casualty Insurance Company. That policy provides the association and its members with self-defense liability insurance, subject to its terms, conditions, limitations, and exclusions. Contact 1-800-674-9779 with any questions.